Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Another Majorette unboxing today. A new 5-pack that we picked up. And has some cool vintage stuff in here. It's the Vintage Racing Collection. So we've got an old, I think that's an Alpine. We've got the Jaguar, a Shelby Cobra, a 911, and a Nissan. So we're going to get this opened up here. We'll take a peek at each car, and then at the end here, we'll put it up on the turntable. So stick with us. Alright, so here it is, guys. So it's a Datsun 260Z, another Porsche 934, Shelby Cobra 427, a Jaguar E-Type, that one's looking good, and an Alpine A110. So we're going to crack this open here and take a peek at these. This is another set that I picked up from Barnes & Noble. So they've been on a streak here lately. A few good 5-packs coming out of there. So don't sleep on the Barnes & Noble. Give them a try, see what they've got. We're going to start off over here with the Nissan. A 260Z. I don't know if I've ever heard of that. 260, 270, 300. Datsun 260Z right there. Yeah, it's not a bad looking little car. It's got the opening doors on this one. So it is right-hand drive on that, guys. Got decent little interiors on these. Yeah, cool little Nissan. Next up, guys, the Porsche 911. It's not a 911, I guess. It's a 934, but looks like a 911. Oh, it's got some weight to it. Usually they're pretty lightweight, but this one's pretty hefty. I like it. Opening doors on that guy. Nice wing there. Yeah. Cool little Porsche. Next up, we got the Shelby Cobra. It's like a matte finish on this guy. Matte red. It's got a cheesy little plastic roll bar that'll probably break off there. Wheels are different. Little 3-spoke there. And this one, the rear hatch opens. Yeah, it's a cool little Shelby. I like it. Next up, the Jaguar. The E-Type. It's a convertible. It's got the removable roof. I think without the roof is the way to go. Look at that. Yeah. That long hood. These things look so good. Even like that bare bones wheel look. Nice choice. No opening hood on that one, just the removable top. Very cool. Like it a lot. And the last one of this pack, the Alpine A110, huh? A little French car action here. Doors open on that guy. Yeah, cool little car. Alright guys, that was the quick unboxing of the 5-pack Vintage Racing from Majorette. We're going to put each one of these cars up on the turntable here and give them a spin. But thanks for tuning in again. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next video. Have a good one.